In what might be one of the most bizarre court filings and dumbest legal arguments I have ever seen Donald Trump's lawyers make, they filed a motion with Judge Tanya Chutkan this week that effectively says that Jack Smith is the Grinch and he is actually trying to steal Christmas from Donald Trump and his legal team. And I wish that were an exaggeration. Like, I wish I were just taking this out of context, but I'm not. They're literally accusing Jack Smith of trying to steal Christmas from poor little Donald Trump. Here's what they wrote. This proposed schedule would require attorneys and support staff to work round the clock through the holidays, inevitably disrupting family and travel plans. It's as if the special counsel growled with his Grinch fingers nervously drumming, "I must find a way to keep Christmas from coming." But how? They quoted the Grinch, Dr. Seuss's The Grinch, in the court filing because, gosh darn it, Jack Smith, we want to have fun. We want to sit around and drink eggnog and watch National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. And by God, this schedule you've put forward doesn't allow us to do it. That is so unfair, right? Listen, as somebody that has worked in a law firm for 20 years, do you know what lawyers typically do? They work through the holidays. They work through all the holidays. I mean, we got lawyers right now that are like working on deadlines to get things filed. They're working around the clock. Do you know why? Because they do want to go have their holiday travel plans, so they just put in extra hours right now. You know, you don't wait until the day before it's due to go ahead and write your motion, because for the record, by the way, folks, Donald Trump's legal team's motion with the Supreme Court is due by December 20th. So even if you technically did wait till the day before it's due, that's still 5 days before Christmas. So you got time, is what I'm saying here. You got time. Maybe you're going to have to work a little late. Maybe call the spouse and be like, hey, we're just going to have to order dinner later or something. I've got to stay at the office because there's very important legal deadlines. Like, if you're the spouse of a lawyer, you understand those things. It's quite common. But nope, it's Jack Smith. He is the damn Grinch, and he is trying to steal Christmas from Donald Trump. I mean, let's be real. Donald Trump probably has a busy schedule around Christmas time. I mean, that's when those three ghosts are going to come and visit him again and hopefully get through to him. But so far, it doesn't seem to have worked. But that's not the only stupid thing they said in the filing. They also added this. The prosecution has one goal in this case: to unlawfully attempt to try, convict, and sentence President Trump before an election in which he is likely to defeat President Biden. This represents a blatant attempt to interfere with the 2024 presidential election and to disenfranchise the tens of millions of voters who support President Trump's candidacy. Also not a legal argument. So you got two big arguments in there that you're making, neither of which are an actual legal argument. Did you even go to law school? That's the big question I have. I want to see transcripts. I want to see not diplomas. I want to see records from the actual law schools you went to that you graduated. Because you're making a lot of claims, but not a single one of them is a valid legal argument.
What are you doing? It's over. The video's over. I'm done complaining about everything, and that's it. The end. Leave. Well, okay, if you're going to stick around, maybe you should give us a like, a comment, a share, or just subscribe to stay connected with all of our content. Or maybe you should consider becoming a member for some exclusive content and perks. Just follow the link in the description. Now, go. Just go.